showers and storms, especially for you motherfuckers enjoying this outlook for today. See this little sunshine on your ashes. It's contrast, very important contrast to educate you. Too much Google and labels. This is something that you never experience in your life because it's original. Look at this combo. Now, magnify it. Try to find any flaws. When mind is defected or infected, always look for flaws. Ask me how I know that, and I'll tell you later. Yeah. Tutto perfetto. Almost. You know, you want to be an image, then you never can be perfect because you already denied your own perfect originality. Tatiana the Great, right now, from Spirit in Me. Pokaži mi dedu na ljubine po, o zašto smo sada toliko daleko. Pokaži mi, ja mrzim nikoga, ja volim noći. Znam za jedan grad, zove se Kragujevac. Znam za jedno ime, al ga ne pominjem. Jednom sam probala to tvoje bezumje od nikada. Tarararam, tarirariraram. Jednom sam probala. Can you imagine this song? This is just from insane people. Let me give you another one. Ветер тихой песни далеко и привет. 4 years. I was there. I'm almost 64. Дальними зорницами светится something like that. Где-то поезд качущий. Who care about language? Hard it's. Chakra. Chuka. Ой, рябинюшкой, beautiful цветы. Ой, рябинюшка, ваюха, кол моя каунти. Try to remember any song, and they're all in me. And I'm dancing on all of them. But song, but it's sealed in my heart. It's song for my father. Ovaj mirisni cvetak koji meni si dao predočava svršetak naszego północna. Jer Polakowie czerwone, wam różica mala. I to znaj boli mene, i za to molim te ja. Piši mi, makar najveće laži, zato, I forgot this. Piši meni da ja znadem da ti se noću prikradem. Piši mi i ne ostavljaj me. Hey, they're just kidding on this, you know. We don't want to show. We do this low frequency. Yeah? Low frequency. Domani, se vediamo domani. Domani, se vediamo domani, ra. Please don't show me your fakeness anymore. Domani, it's not promised to anyone. Please stop your bullshit now. We all can do, we all can be honest and do better. Don't watch this news, it's bullshitting news. You get it. Now I'm collecting all shit here. Yeah, bye. Talk to you soon. This was just for fun. Little entertainment for myself. Life's precious. I love you. I love you.